So guys, just stop. Abne am pamna koi thaki wo itu sound to ki ho shi na volume bish up kuri kan thaki wo itu moi ni acting kore ase aji mohon discuss kuru itu sound to bishi important ase video de. Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. To ajila video to bishi important ase, especially if you're YouTube content creator. Today I will be talking about this Boya M1 mic. To itu mic la story olop koi dibo amne kan sob ki aro full review dibo. First mo amne ki video ekta clip dikhawo aro itu video clip di amne sound quality ek profile ro khaniwi mo video first ek part dikhawo.
Rong có gì?
Cái bên nào nhang cái? Tao vậy. Tao nên so precise video. Itu video di sound to bishi biasa aro bishi disturb ase. Moi first itu video la clip la story olop koi dibo. Itu video to moi wow city shoot kara ase. Wow city shoot kara ekta episode bana wena plan actually sound bishi problem dekhi aro sound to bishi disturbance thakise. Itu ani moi upload korole paran aro ekta episode to pura loss khaise. Itu video sa bajite moi plan koshi ita to moi sound improve korbo aro ekta external mic lobo koina plan dekhi. Itu Boya M1 mic itu lobo koina plan dekhi huilewi aro next morning moi la kasam pro mo ki ekta gift dise aro gift to khulina sa to Boya M1 mic. So if you're watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much for this wonderful gift. Boya M1 mic to ito se to mo amne so ki pro khulina dikawo. To mic dito ase to B-roll ek persabi. So guys, mo itia Boya M1 mic to mola camera di connect kori na ase. To sound to bishi clear hoina ase aro bishi improve hoina ase. To pahadi bi chain ek par tour ek par record kori na sabo phale ase na nai. So guys, ite moi pahadi chain ase. Pahadi chain itu mic to camera di connect kori na ase. Aro moi distance to 20 feet ase. Voice to kina ase amne kan comment di koi dibe. Itu Boya M1 mic to mohon camera di use korle parabo aro phone di use korle parabo. Yeti duita option ase, ekta camera, ekta smartphone. Aro itu khulishe koile yeti ekta battery ase, battery. To itu time to time mohon change korle parabo. Actually, I've been using this mic for almost 3 months and I just want to give you some ideas and knowledge of using external mic. I hope you have learned something from this video. If anyone is planning to invest on mic, I will definitely suggest you to take this Boya M1 mic. It's so good that you will not regret and later you will thank me. So I will just end up the video here. I hope you have enjoyed that video. So see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and peace.